I don't want the game to end.
I can see that, Captain.
I think Star Trek is the great American epic. I'm lucky to have been a part of it ever, and to be a continuing part of it is thrilling.
What can fans expect from Star Trek Picard?
Well, I think you can expect Patrick Stewart, because that's why they call it Picard. They probably wouldn't if he wasn't in it, but I think some really good stories, some really wonderful new young actors who some you may know from other things. They're terrific to a person. They're wonderful. And then, of course, a little bit of me and Jonathan and Marina and some of the old folks, you know.
Congratulations on the official confirmation for Season 2 already. Are we going to see you in Season 2?
You know what? I haven't had any official word on that yet, but let's all hope so.